Hello, hello friends. Now I am explaining about this. It is good one. Reverse a string. Nothing but given a string S as input. You have to reverse the given string. So first line is number of first line contains number of test cases, and after every test case you get the string continuously. First line of input contains a single integer t, which denotes the number of test cases. T test cases follows. First line of each test case contains a string S. So corresponding to each test case, print the string S in reverse order. Take one example, geeks. Geeks. So reverse of it is Skeeg. So we can write the code for to print the reverse of given string. For that, first one is number of test cases. Taking T. And read the value of T. Then for every value, every test case, I am using while loop. In this while loop, first one is string S. For taking the line of every line, I am using net line C input as S. Okay. Then I am using stop to make reverse of given string. Every string contains characters, so stop also taking characters. I am denoting st. I need to predefine function is include bits std c++.h for using stop. Now the string values I am taking every string into every character, one by one character into the stop. So I less than h dot length. This is the one of the string function to get the length of string. S length. And now I am pushing every one by one element into stop. Then after I am taking back every element from the stop to string. Why I am pushing and taking values from the stock is, if we take the values of this, assume the stock is there. First element G is comes bottom of the stock, E is upper, and E is then top of the one more E. K is top of the E. S is top of the K. When I am taking out the values of this, first value comes out S. So this is the reverse of this. S is this. When I taking out the K, this one This is the reason I am taking the stop to reverse the given string. So I want to make empty of given stop. Empty equal to false. And then s of j st of top, and make it remove the top element, increase the j value. So after that we get the string, reverse of string s. This is the program. So once we check it, here is the input. Test cases are 2. Those are this one. Observe it. Y is Y, S, S. In the same manner, every element become the reverse. It is successfully completed string reverse. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.